In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the currency on the Emirates website. So here we are on Emirates, and if I scroll down, we'll book a flight. So I'll book from Bangkok to London, and we'll go ahead and select some dates here at random, and we'll book just for the fun of it in first class. So if you go ahead and search for flights on Emirates, it will show you the currency and the location that you're currently staying in. So I'm in Thailand, so it's showing me prices in Thai baht, which for me, first class is going to be 104,000 for one way. Now, if we wanted to change the currency, we could go to change currency in the top right hand corner. And here you can see all of these popular currencies. I'm going to change it to USD, and it now should start showing prices in USD. Now, as you can see, in USD, it is $6,470 for a flight. Now, if we click on this, we are going to still see the price in Thai baht, and we are going to have to book it in Thai baht, but it does give us an idea of approximately how much this is going to be. This is going to be the lowest total price for one passenger. And again, you've got the price here. This is going to be for one way. So after we've chosen both of our flights, we are going to get the approximate in USD, and this is from the currency that we've chosen on the page before. We can then continue to passengers, and we can go ahead and book that. Now, I do believe at the payment section, there is a choice to change the currency, but the currency might not be favorable, so it might be better to book in the currency you're seeing on screen.